Today you have departed this world and left us to grow and to follow in your footsteps on our way back home, back to Krishna. We are sincerely thankful for this process of Krishna consciousness you gave us, which certainly dissipates our misconceptions about being happy in this material world. We are also very thankful for creating so many sadhus and saints that have become our friends, family and acquaintances. We are thankful for this wonderful prasadam that is so tasty and a great means to associate with your devotees. We are forever grateful for this incredibly deep knowledge, both phenomenal and luminous, which makes people respect your devotees when they speak and share such deep understanding. We are also extremely indebted to be engaged by your divine grace in distributing this knowledge to everyone, affording us the realization that Krishna consciousness is a touchstone changing people's lives forever. We are extremely appreciative for the abundant lifestyle Krishna provides his devotees. So many places to stay, people to visit, things to do, and so much prasadam to eat always, unlimitedly. Prasadam ki. Just as you explain to us in your books, and we'll quote, one can just imagine his position if a very rich man said, "Don't worry, I will take care of everything for you." Krishna, the Supreme Lord, is the proprietor of all opulence. There is no one more opulent than Krishna. Therefore, if Krishna says that he will take care of his devotee, there is no question of poverty. Most people want material opulence, but they do not know that Krishna is the proprietor of all opulence. That is their misfortune. Although the proprietor of all opulence says, "Just surrender unto me and I will take care of you," people do not do it. Instead, they say, "I will take care of my own business. I will maintain myself. I will take care of myself, my family, my friends, and my country." End of quote. So we thank you, Srila Prabhupada, for saving us from our own selves, for all the above, and a lot more. Thank you for creating this wonderful society and all the sadhus in it. Hoping to always serve you and your servants, Ajita.